Here I am among the flowers. I am just drenching in the smell of the peonies. Don't you just love them? I love them. So I'm giving you some news. On May 30th, I'm having another live Zoom. And we're going to be painting peonies. Yes, these beautiful flowers. And some lilacs. I tried to find some lilacs in the stores. They're not in there yet. But yes, we're painting peonies and lilacs, going over some basics, having lots of fun, learning new skills, and yeah, just having a fun live class. It is from 1 to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. If you miss it, you get the playback. If you're a Patreon member, you get a discount code. So it pays to be a Patreon. But yeah, we're going to have so much fun painting live. Just click the link in the description. Everyone had such a great time last time when I did it in March. We did a English garden gate. I loved it. It was so much fun. It was a little bit longer than this one. This one's a little bit shorter and a little bit cheaper. So we didn't get to do many flowers last time, so I wanted to do some flowers this time. And everybody loves the peonies. The peonies are the best. Oh, they smell so good. They smell so good. So if you'd like to come and join me, click the link below and I'll see you then.